If you want to play YouTube music on your Echo Dot, here's how to do it. First, make sure your Echo Dot is set up in the Amazon Alexa app. If you don't have it yet, download the Alexa app from the App Store or Play Store. Next, open the app and tap the plus icon in the top right. Then choose Add Device and select Echo and Alexa. After that, pick Echo Dot and follow the steps to connect it. Also, make sure Bluetooth is turned on for the Echo Dot. Now, go back to the Devices tab in the Alexa app. Select your Echo Dot, then open Settings. From there, tap Bluetooth Devices and choose Connected Device. At the same time, turn on Bluetooth on the phone or device you want to use. Once the device appears, tap it to connect. When connected, simply open YouTube Music on your phone and start playing your music. The sound will now play through your Echo Dot. That's it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.